What up, guys? It's your friend here, James Valerio. I'm taking the dogs for a walk though, and my new haircut. It looks good, I guess. And oh, girl. So we're taking the dogs for a walk, and they're right here. Just look at them. Look at them. I'm going very far home. And sorry I haven't done any videos because I've been busy a lot. So I've been doing homework at high school though. And I guess I might do gaming videos. I have to take turns doing videos and all that, like vlog videos. One of my Nerf videos, my gaming videos, something like that. So I gotta take turns every day on those type of video. So yeah, this is a vlog of me taking the dogs for a walk. You can see them over there. Just look at them. Look how they walk now. Look at Mason. Damn. Yeah, so we're taking them for a walk right here, I guess. My foot, no. Look at my sneakers, I guess. Look at this beautiful grass. How's it?
The driver, how we have it, that same design with this. You always go in.
Look how cute. Willow. 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 Look how beautiful. Look at that. Wait, I'm gonna pause for a minute to see the sunset. You can hear the wind. It's not that loud. That's the girls I don't actually know. They're just saying. Yeah, look at this beautiful flower. This tree. I don't know. I'm not trying to make a good video, guys. Just taking them for a walk. It's just a vlog video, so. Damn, these flowers. Let's car and show something. Alright. Oi, 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 oi. Oi. Oh, wait, gotta stop. They don't want to be filmed. Alright.
Are you lost?
Oh, guys, and guess what else I got right now? I don't know if you can see me or not. So I changed my Instagram. It's not Z Nation anymore. It's GameTech 2013. So that's my Instagram profile. So my Instagram is not Z Nation 21 because it sounds boring a little. Alright. Look at these two thick trees. They're so sticking. Look at that one over there. Damn.
Make sure you don't get me in the video.
Look at those. Those are trees. They're just standing in walls. Never mind. Wow, this is so stupid. Who just litter? Wow, that's dumb. I don't like when people litter. It's not nice. It's not good. You gotta take care of your planet, though. This is white fence. It's just standing there.
Tallest balcony.
Mason. Look how cute they are. Oh, yeah. that car. It's not stopping. Stop sign. Ouch. See what I mean? Alright guys, so I'm gonna stop this video for a little minute. Guess what I got today? Shoot, wait. I wanna film people's address. Alright, so today I got a legendary helmet on Call of Duty Advanced Warfare, so I couldn't record it. So when I get back to my house, I'm gonna do a little bit gaming stream, and I'm trying to figure out how to still do Twitch though, cause I don't have some tools for the YouTube gaming videos and all that. Oh shit. Alright, so when I get home, cause we're almost there. So we're almost there at home. Alright, yo, shoot. So we're almost there at home. So when I get back at home, somebody like my picture. So I get back at home, I'm gonna try to do my gaming videos if they let me. Alright, so peace. Bye, YouTubers. And like my video, leave a comment or subscribe.